Okay, I've never done that before.
Yeah, what's going on?
Basically, it started, I think sometime 2011. I was playing football and somebody hit me in the chest. So I think there was a shift or something in my neck. I couldn't bend down, couldn't touch my chest with my chin. That continued for a year or two. Then I think in 2013, someone hit me again. This time I couldn't bend the back. So up to now, I still feel like there's some constraints somewhere up here. Then recently, doing some adjustment. Then I said recently I was in some adjustment.
Stretches.
Yes.
Have you been adjusted before?
No.
So it's not an adjustment, it's stretch.
Okay.
Anything else?
A little stiffness in the lower back. Yeah, that's because of my job.
So we're taking an X-ray, I'll do a scan, then we'll make the adjustments.
Okay.
Once the weight is here, bring the head down. Relax. Relax the head.
Okay, I've never done that before.
You okay? What do you feel like?
You know, I used to crack the neck before, but that took it to a whole new level.
That's the difference between what cracking your neck and doing a specific adjustment.
Yeah.
Back. All the way down. It's like you couldn't get up.
Yeah. I already feel like sleeping.
So it's a completely different thing from watching it and actually
Yeah.
going to lie on your side. Your head comes in. You made me smile after it's priceless.
Yeah, I've seen it quite a few times and now it's happening to me, so.
Memories.
Yeah.
Lie on your stomach, face down. There's some people that watch the videos and I think we're like adding sound effects for the sound.
Yeah.
Relax. Face down. Relax. More relax. Try your best to be relaxed. Only if your smiles can talk.
I actually can close the mouth.
What did you feel like?
Yeah, I felt.
What did you feel? You felt it all the way to the lower back?
Yes, somewhere here. Yeah. I'm still trying to close the mouth. It's not good. When I watch videos, I always imagine that when I do this, and I'll take very deep breaths and sleep off.
You're taking deep breaths. The only thing that remains is sleeping off. When we go to the resting area, then check that off your list as well. Okay, come on up. Okay.